Hello there, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you a business that I know. It's not like I think, a business I know that you are going to make some good money from. Recently, I met someone who does this business, and this lady makes averagely at least 5 million naira monthly from doing this business. And now I'm not expecting that you who is watching me now is going to make 5 million naira monthly, because this lady has been doing the business for over 5 years. So she has the experience, she has the contacts, she has the suppliers, she has the expertise, she has everything at her disposal to enable her make that money. But for someone who is starting up, you can make 500k, you can even make up to a million naira if you are good at marketing, if you are good with marketing, if you are good with making offers and running advertisements online. You can make up to a million naira, right? So because I have also tested this business to see how viable it is, and I can tell you honestly that it is highly profitable. One, it is highly profitable because the profit margin is large. I'm going to share with you, before I make these videos, I always do my research. I bought this item first to confirm for myself, so I know exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you a business that I know, that it's not a one-off business. It's not something that you do today and leave tomorrow. It's a business that you can build a brand on and grow from there. My name is Courage, and you're welcome to my channel. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content on how to make money online, advertising and stuff like that, you may consider subscribing to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, without wasting time, let's dive in. So this business is about selling bags, male leather bags for men. Let's start from Facebook. In this video, I'm going to do a lot of research, so you're going to stay with me, and I'm going to teach you how this research is done so that you can also do your own research in the same pattern or even better. Yeah, so let's start from Facebook and search for men leather bag. Let's see if there's anything like that on Facebook. And exactly, so this one is 35,000 naira. This one is 32,000 naira. This one is selling for 15k. Nice one. Let's see if we can even see any. This one is selling for 25,000 naira. So let's see if we can see any adverts. This one is selling for 5k. Let's see if we can. Aha, these are the bags here. These are the men leather bags here. These ones did not include their pricing. Could have seen how much they are selling for. Okay, this one is selling just the purse, 18,000 naira, free delivery. This one is selling just the purse, 18k. Stay with me, you see what we are trying to achieve here. The thing is, this kind of businesses, you will not know that people are cashing out until someone brings it to your attention, just like I'm doing now. Okay, so let's see posts. Different kind of bags for different amounts. The ones we are looking for is the one that men can use for traveling, for going to work. They put their laptop in it for as a purse to handle their phones, their power bank, the money and stuff like that. Now we have seen something on Facebook, right? And let's search. Let's do a little research here. Leather bag for men. Let's go. Okay, this one is on, where is it? Konga. 41,000 naira. Konga. This one is 26,000 naira on Konga. You can see them, right? I mean, everything is clear here. Everything is super clear and direct. So now, here's my own. I bought this one. Hmm? You can see it, right? I bought this bag here for 25,000 naira here in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, 25,000 naira. And this stuff too came with it. This is a croc skin, a crocodile skin leather kind of. All right, this one came with it. You can see it here. So I bought it for 25,000 naira. Now let's see how you can make money selling this product in Nigeria, in Ghana, in anywhere, any part of the world, because men buy these things all the time. So let's start our research from Alibaba. Let's start our research from Alibaba. Stay with me. You are going to see how these things work and why I said you will make some money doing this stuff. Okay? So let's start our research from Alibaba. First of all, let's download one of these pictures. Let's download this picture. Yes, save image. Bagman. Downloads. Okay, let's leave it in downloads. So let's come to Alibaba here. Good. We are here now. So let's start our research. Okay. Men's leather bag. This is $6. This one is $6. Something that somebody was selling for, how much was that on Facebook? Somebody was selling it at one amount like that on Facebook. Let's see. For 32,500. And here we are seeing $7. We are seeing $7. Okay. I hope you are getting the full check now. $7 here. Our research is just getting started. This one is $10. This one is 18. So you need to always search with precision. Okay? This one is how much? $35. You need to search with precision. Search for the most affordable guys. All right? Men's leather bag here. Then you can search with keywords and say croc. Leather crocs bag for men. Search with different keywords. Search with different keywords. It's free to search on these platforms. Absolutely free. And then when you search, you can streamline to the price range that you are looking for. So this is the purse. that I have. You can see these guys are putting their stuff very expensive, and there are people who are the direct suppliers who sell at a ridiculously affordable amount. You saw that first one, $7. So it takes a lot of research for you to come up with stuff like this. It takes a lot of research. Okay? So you can say leather bag, leather bags for men. Different keywords is going to bring out different results. Look at this one here. $7 to $8.5. You put your logo here, all right, and the MOQ is 10 units or 10 pieces, whichever one you want to call it. You can always click on it to find out more. So it's $8. You can see different kind of bags, and these bags are selling for 25,000, 30,000, 15,000 in Nigeria here. So you can contact the supplier, you can call them, or you can have, if you have a reliable logistics firm that can help you do the negotiation and do the buying from China, that would be fantastic too. Look at these bags. You check them out. There are a lot of them that are very affordable that you can buy from China and sell here in Nigeria. This is $8. This is $7. This is $8 here. This is $7 to $8. Different. You can even decide to customize and they'll put your name to it if you want to. If you want to. Look at the bags here. Here's my own. 25K. 25K. All right. But when I decided to buy from China, I got it from China for less than 5,000 naira. So you mean that, let's assume that I bought it for 5,000 in China, and then importing it, everything cost me about, say, everything 8,000 to 10,000. And I try to sell it. It means that I can also make a profit of 10K, 10K profit on one. Because I can tell them that if you buy this one, you're going to get this for free, and then I can add something else. I'm a marketer, I know how to make these offers. So you add a few more things that they can get for free, and then you are making a whooping 10K or at least 8,000 naira, 8K on each sale that you make as a profit. When you search finish in Alibaba, you can also go to 1688. You have to pay attention to these things, right? It's not rocket science. Once you come to 1688, you translate to English because the domicile or the dormant stuff is China. I translate to English. All right. Now everything is in English. It is easier for you to navigate the website now because it is in English. All right. And so what do? You start searching. Where is that video? That image that we downloaded recently. Okay. Since I couldn't find it, we'll just ignore search with image. I will just search for leather bag. And leather bag. These are different leather bags for men. Remember to always translate to English. These are the prices in yuan. All right. So you just keep searching, and always remember that these bags that you see in this China, each of these bags, they come with this small purse. Some of them come with two different small purses, This one and the more bigger one than this. So you can actually use them as an offer. Okay, you can use them as an offer. You can say laptop bag for men. So we are trying to use different keywords to search for results. See this one, $3 to $4. This one can go for women. I mean, it's pink, so some women like pink. Now you have seen how these things work, right? So all you need to do now is do your own research. Okay? Do your own research. But first, don't buy from Alibaba yet. Okay? Don't buy from Alibaba yet. See this one now. This one is $8.59. This one is $7.50 to $8.30. Can see the letters there, right? Different kind of stuff going on here. Different kind of stuff. So before you buy from Alibaba, all you have to do is go to the market and find it and search if you will find a supplier that has these products. If you find a supplier, negotiate with them so that, and then you do your market research and know if you can get it from them at a cheaper rate or at a slightly higher rate. So that if you are buying from China, for instance, and the landing cost of one is 7,000, and then in Nigeria you are getting the landing cost of 8, are you getting it from supplier at 8,000 or 7,500, then there's no point buying from China unless you want to customize, unless you want to have your own logo on it. Then you can go ahead and buy from China. All right. Apart from that, always do your research first in Nigeria to find out if you can get it from a supplier here and it's readily available for you. Okay. So this business is a business that can give you some good amount of money. Just run your adverts, set up your funnel and everything. Let people order. Search on Facebook, search on Instagram, search for people who are selling this thing. You will see the amount they are selling it. And then you can see how cheap it is in China. And also in the market, you will find suppliers. So you do your own research and find out which one will pay you better. Go with it. And I'll show you, especially in this season that people are buying stuff. These things are something that men need these things. I have more than one of this. So you can get them, start selling. I'll show you are going to make money. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer you. All right. Leave the questions in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share with anyone you know who find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.